The S&P 500 broke above 5,600 for the first time ever as the stock market continues with a roaring rally. We have Joe Tigay of Equity Armor Investments on hand. Joe, what do you think lies ahead, and what are your three to watch in the market today?
The market's really pricing in those rate cuts coming later in this year. And they're also pricing in just a robust economy, which has not turned into a recession. Speaking of rate cuts, also, Angie, we got the Magnificent Seven has led the market sky high this year. The index is up about 48% on those seven companies, which means the rest of the S&P 500, the S&P 493, some call it, has lagged. I think with the robust economy and rates falling, it's really time for them to shine and catch up. Some say that their earnings drought has ended and it's time for them catching up. And I think people will start to price in better earnings for them with these lower interest rates if they do come, when they do come later on in this year. I think the market's really excited about that. And finally, Angie, we're going to be focusing more and more on the election. The closer we get to it, volatility will rise. But one thing that is kind of associated with the election that is really also driving this market higher is just the record amounts of government spending, which does not seem to stop. And it doesn't seem to matter which party gains power. There's going to be record spending continuing. The projections keep on going up and up, and we have not curbed that back at all. So spending remains big, and that may be the reason why this economy has not slowed down. The government spending remains at these record levels.
We thank you so much, Joe.
Thanks for having me.
Go to businessfirstam.com for where to see our show on TV.